How to recover Twitter password. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your Twitter application on your device. Once you open up the app, you'll be able to see this interface. Over here, you have to tap on your profile-like icon in the left upper corner. And from over here, you'll be able to see create account and login option. Since we are trying to recover the password of the account that we already have, you have to go for login option. From over here, you have to choose for login option. After that, you need to enter your either phone number, email or username associated with your Twitter account. But since we are trying to recover password, you need to tap on the forget password at the left bottom corner. After that, in order to find your Twitter account, you need to enter your email associated with your account. After that, simply go for next. And you have to check your Gmail account that you have recently added for the confirmation code. If you are agreed with this, then you can go for next option. And you will receive an email on your Gmail account. Once you receive the code, simply enter the code and go for next. And you will be verified, and finally you will be able to change your password. For that, you have to tap on your text box and enter the new password. Once you are done, go for change password option. After that, you need to select an option over here. You can select the appropriate option for you and go for next. And after that, you can continue to Twitter. So this is how you recover Twitter password. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.